Make sure you stick around until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I'm here with the 2017 Dodge Charger, which for whatever reason I want to keep saying Challenger. It's driving me crazy. But what we're going to be doing today is adding an additional prox key. Okay, this is the Tombstone style. I'm using the aftermarket Ilco replacement. I'll put a link in the notes below for you. And this is the deal. So this is one of the last years in this 2017 that you can use the OBD2 port instead of having to use the star port. So I tell you what, you don't realize how much you enjoy the OBD2 port until you have to use the star port. So this is one of like the sweet spots. It's a good, profitable job. I've already went ahead and I've duplicated the emergency key and we're ready to get to programming. Alright, so we have the Smart Pro connected to the OBD2 port and we're ready to get programming. So we're going to go up here to Vehicle Selection. We're going to go to Dodge. We're gonna go to Charger 2017, push button right here. Okay, so it looks like there's two different ones with a pin bypass. So let's go ahead and go with that one. We'll go ahead and click connect. Switch ignition off, which it is. Hazards on. So go down here at the hazards button. All right, so we're gonna go down here to program keys, hit the play button. Make sure all, let's see here. Make sure all wireless devices, laptop, cell phones are not close to the prox being programmed. You know what? I have my phone in my pocket. Let me just set it in the back seat here just to be on the safe side of town. Click OK. Okay, quickly and carefully follow the next screens. Complete the operation within 60 seconds after pressing OK. So I don't quite know what we're going to be doing here. I haven't done one of these before, so let's just have some fun. Let's go. Okay, hold the prox key near the start stop button and continually press and release the unlock button until you hear a noise. Unlock. Okay, so I just did that and it successfully programmed it in. All right, so the big question is now is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the original, okay, I'm gonna put it in this Lucky Line pouch, link in the notes below here if you wanna get one of these here. So I'm gonna put the original in just so we can make sure the new one's working. Let's give it a try. There we go, we're good to go. All right, and there you have it. That's how you program this Tombstone prox key, which is an aftermarket by Ilco, using the Smart Pro on this 2017 Dodge Charger. I'd love to know what you think and what star rating this programming deserves. I'll tell you what, it was a lot easier than others I have done. I haven't really been in one of these Chargers before, so they're kind of cool. But please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm guessing if you just watched this video that you work with locks and keys. And to us here at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we wanna hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, we post videos on YouTube, like the one you just watched. And all you need to do is comment on the videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. When you do this, you're automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give out each and every week. No purchase necessary. So if you're a lock boss, join us each week to learn, grow, and win.